What's up, y'all? It's your girl Bree Dupree, and I'm back with another video. So we are nearing the end of all of these initial unboxing reviews of all the weave that I purchased, which is why I am now broke. And this is the last one, so let's get to it. I already filmed a video today. This ain't makeup, this ain't white tea, on Eullair hair water wave that's blonde. And if you guys are interested in looking at a different textured blonde weave vendor that sells more than just body wave or straight blonde hair, the link will be down below. And I also made another purchase from the same vendor, Eullair hair. Here's how it comes. I talked more about the packaging in the other video because it's the exact same, and this hair is a little bit different. I'm trying to venture out different textures. I've always just done Brazilian body wave. So in these few videos, like the blonde hair I just did was Malaysian. Her imports was Malaysian straight. This one is like loose wave. So I'm trying to do different textures and get different feel of things that I do like and things that I don't like. So this hair is also textured. And I got the Eullair Brazilian Virgin Hair Deep Wave. I got 4 bundles of 24 inches with a 13x4 20-inch lace frontal in the color Natural Black. And let's pull it out and show you guys what's going on. So I got 4 bundles of 24-inch and the closure because I know the longer you get, the shorter the wefts, and I wasn't sure. It's a little wet because my hair is a little wet because I had my window open and I had this bundle right underneath my window, so like my bag's a little wet, whatever. And this is the deep wave hair. Like I said, I wish that they would tell you what the hair texture was and what the inches were on this little tag, because it just says 100% human hair, top quality human hair, and that reminds me of like beauty supply store hair or like Indian hair. And when you have these different textures and you sell them, like, you need to, you know, get together. But I am excited about the deep waves texture. This is 24 inches, like I said. I mean, it's kind of hard to run your fingers through it, but I mean, it's curly hair, so what do you expect, you know? And it is catching the light, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see the brown tones in this hair. I've never tried deep wave before. This is loose wave. I've tried body wave, and really I've only ever had body wave and straight hair. Because I did have a curly wig before, which is a video that I've had on this channel. It's one of the first videos I've made, and it wasn't my favorite, and I just gave it to my friend because I didn't think it looked good on me because of the way that I constructed it, and that was my fault. But I'm thinking the fact that I have a lace frontal would be super cool. But here's the 24 inches of the hair, and what I like about this hair that the other hair that I got from them I didn't like as much is that the ends, it's curly all the way through from the top to the ends. With the other hair, the ends were straight, and kind of, it makes, when your hair is curly and you have straight ends, it makes it look kind of straggly, in my opinion, and dry, and I don't like that. I like that it's completely curly from root to tip, and the weft looks pretty good. There's no really smell. It kind of just smells like a normal hair. It doesn't smell fruity or processed or anything like that. It does feel a little dry at the ends, and it does look a little frizzy, but that's to be expected with curly hair. I do co-wash all of my hair before I wear it, so hopefully with that, if I use a deep conditioner or like Olaplex, or like I do have the what is it called? What is that stuff called that comes in a little bucket? I have it. Oh, now it's gonna kill me because I don't know what it's called. Instamix? Silicone? I don't know, but I use that a lot on curly hair, even on my curly hair, or sometimes on old wigs to bring it back to life, so I might use that on this, but I don't really like the smell of it. But here it is, 24 inches of curly hair. Obviously it'll be shorter than 24 inches straight. It kind of goes past my boob, but if I were to stretch it out, it goes down to my rib. And I'm excited for this. I'm excited for another wave pattern. Let's look at the frontal. I don't think I've opened up the frontal yet. Oh yeah, maybe I did. I'm like a hair enthusiast. The minute I get hair, I like to feel it. I like to rub it against me, like, I don't know. And like I said, this is a 20-inch frontal. Now, this is what concerns me about this frontal, and this is the only gripe that I have with this company. What is going on? What is this? What is that? Why is there stains on this frontal? Like, what were they doing with this frontal? That there's a line of mark of demarcation all the way across, and then I have stains right here. Like, what's up with that? I don't like that very much. The only reason why I'm not that mad about it is because you can't really see it through the hair. But like, what is... And it's definitely not pre-plucked. It looks, the hairline here is something straight out the Wig Campaign Network. It is crazy. It is thick. I'm definitely going to have to pluck this. It does come with a little bit of baby hair, which I appreciate. I just wish if we're in 2019 and you're selling frontals that you pre-pluck it. Like, it's not that hard. Well, it is that hard for us, which is why we don't want to do it. So this is how long it is. The lace on here is this nice soft lace, except when you get to these weird colored parts, it does feel a little bit thicker. So I don't know what's up with that. Hopefully when I bleach these knots, the stainage doesn't create a problem. But you can look through here just how, maybe you can't see because it's not towards the sun. Maybe you can see here, I like how it's not super dense. So if I were to part it wherever, you really don't have to worry about super plucking. You can just put some concealer on there. Maybe I can show you guys better this way. See how you can still kind of see the scalp through here without me plucking it or parting it or anything. Again, I like how the ends are curly. It's curly straight from root to tip, which I appreciate. And this curl pattern looks really nice. It looks almost like a ringlet pattern versus what this, well, I guess this is kind of ringlet too, but obviously on shorter hair, the shorter it is, the tighter the curl is. That's just like basically what vendors do. I don't know what's up with that. Use the same curling rod. It's not that hard, but it is what it is, and I can understand why they do that. This is the only wig that I bought that has a frontal, and this will only be my second time actually interacting and sewing a frontal on a wig. The other one that I did was the rainbow hair from Queen Beauty Hair, and there was a lot of trial and error with that, so I'm hoping with this one, with the lessons I've learned, we can kind of fix it a little bit, maneuver it, and we don't have the same issues. The issues that I had with that hair was when I constructed it, I didn't pull it forward. Everybody says to pull it forward like an inch or two above the cap. I didn't do that. So I had the hair just stopped with where the wig was, and what happened was, unless I were to glue it down and like I would have to braid my hair underneath, sew it, and then like use Got2b spray to glue it down. That's the only way you wouldn't be able to see my own hair. And I've had to pull it and kind of had some of my hair out when nobody could see, but in the back, because my head is big and I didn't buy a big wig cap. It was like one of the first couple of wigs that I've made. I didn't make a big wig cap, and this time it's different because now we got extra large wig caps, so it's gonna be popping. Because this wig, I don't have any bands or combs or anything, and it's like a perfect fit, like a perfect fit. So I think I kind of got it down. I think I kind of got my maneuvering and situations down, and we've learned. So hopefully this one will turn out better. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see how this hair works and holds up throughout, you know, my upcoming events. And I'm excited for this hair. Definitely not as much shedding as the other hair I got from them. And I'm excited to see if we can fit off all 4 bundles on my head, because your girl likes it thick. But I know with curly hair, too thick could be too much. So subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you want me to do with this hair. I was thinking about dyeing it just black. The natural color, like this is the natural color. I think this is gonna be my only natural colored wig, this one, and maybe I might keep the other one blonde. But everything else, like I have plans on dyeing or lifting or dyeing it darker. So if you want to see that, let me know, because I might dye it black. I'm not sure. Sometimes black on me could be a little too harsh unless I'm super bronzed up. This doesn't look that harsh on me because it's a natural color, so I don't feel like it looks that bad, but you could be the judge of that. And thank you guys for watching this video. I try to keep it as short and as simple as I could. I couldn't open up the track because I have to be somewhere and I have to leave really like right now, and I just wanted to get this out the way because I'm moving and I want to pre-record as much as I can before I leave, because I don't know how my filming setup is going to be or how long it's going to take me to set up my filming out there. So bear with me these next couple of weeks because it might be kind of just scattered here and there. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.